aiming for?
The blue man.
He doesn't get knocked down. Next.
Okay. Let's go with the third little square
What third
on
square?
top.
Third square on top?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one next to the little blue man. The third square.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Right there.
Up on top?
Yeah. The four little squares. Get the third one.
Oh.
Alright, you got the fourth.
Got the bottom one. Damn. Oh well.